4 is dead easy. All we want is the next term. It doesn't say describe in words, it just works out the next term. So look to see what's happening. We're going up and we're making it bigger and we're going up by 6. Check that there's 6 each time. Yes, there is. So the next one is going to be 40. If you look at the second one, this time we're coming down. And again, we're coming down by 8 each time. So I want to do 66 take away 8. If you can't do that in your head, do a little sum on the side. 6 take away 8, you can't do. Okay, 5 left. 16 take away 8 is 8. And 58 is going to be the next one. Again, in an exam, I would check. Is 58, add 8, 66? Yes, it is. We know we've done it right. Now, your decimals and percentages, they like these questions. They come up all the time, and students find them difficult because they can't remember what the decimals are. The amount of people who would write that as 3.4, that is not a decimal. Okay, 3/4 is less than a whole, so it must be 0 point something. The way I like to look at it is if you look at it in terms of a percentage, because most people are better with percentages, split it up into 4. Okay, we know that halfway is 50%. If I half that again, I get 25%. And if I add 25 on, I get 75%. And people go, oh yeah, well I can see now. 3/4 is just 3 of those squares shaded in. 75%, and most people will then be able to do, well, I know what that is as a decimal. 75% means 75 out of 100, which is 0.75. Okay, so it's usually easier to turn it into a percentage and then write it as a decimal. 76%, oh, that's easy, 0.76. Now we want to put those fractions in ascending order. Ascend means to go up. Okay. It's either going to be ascending or descending, which come down. So I want the smallest fraction there, and you can see 0.72 is the smallest one. Then I want the next smallest, looking at these two to help me, 0.75. Okay, but that was 3/4. You must make sure you write down the fraction, which is 3/4, and the last one then is your 76%.